Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update bundle sizes by enabling ProGuard R8 in Android. Full guide step by step. To update bundle sizes by enabling ProGuard or R8 in your Android project, start by opening your Android Studio. Navigate to the build.gradle file in your app module. Locate the build types section. In this section, find the release block. Add the line minify enable true within the release block. This enables code shrinking for your release build. Next, ensure you have a ProGuard rules file. If you don't have one, create a file named ProGuard-rules.pro in the app directory. Open the newly created ProGuard rules file. Add any specific rules you need for your libraries or code. After that, sync your project with the Gradle files. You can do this by clicking the Sync Now button that appears in the notification bar. Next, go to the Gradle.properties file. Add the line Android.enabler8 equals true to enable R8 if you prefer using it over ProGuard. Now, to test your changes, navigate to the Build menu. Select Build Bundles/APKs and then Build Bundle. Wait for the build process. Once finished, locate your generated bundle in the Output directory. The bundle will usually be found under the Outputs folder. Next, analyze the bundle size using the Android App Bundle Explorer. This tool will help you visualize the impact of your optimization. To ensure everything is working properly, run your app and test functionality. Check for any issues or crashes resulting from code shrinking. If necessary, adjust your ProGuard rules to prevent stripping important code. Repeat the build process to confirm your bundle size updates. Finally, review the updated bundle size to see the improvements. Congratulations, you have successfully updated your bundle sizes by enabling ProGuard or R8 in your Android project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.